In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and install a custom AI Slack bot. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. To get started on this exciting project, we'll need to install the Slack command line interface, or CLI for short. This is a tool that will help us streamline the process of developing our Slack applications. To do this, open up your terminal. This works on Mac, Linux, or any system that supports Bash. You'll want to run the following command: curl-fsselt/downloads.slackedge.com/slack/install.h bash. What this does is download and install the Slack CLI directly on your system, making it super easy for us to develop our bot. Just hit enter and let it take care of things. Once the installation is complete, it's time to connect to your Slack workspace. This is a crucial step because without connecting, your bot won't have access to the workspace where everyone will interact with it. In the terminal, simply type Slack login and hit enter. You'll be prompted to authenticate yourself by following a link that opens in your web browser. Follow the instructions to allow the CLI to access your workspace. Once you're logged in, you're just a few steps away from creating your own AI-powered Slack bot. Now that we're authenticated, let's create a new project. The Slack CLI offers a neat feature that allows us to set up a new project using predefined templates. For our custom AI bot, we can use the Bolt framework, which makes it easier to work with the Slack API. In your terminal, type slack create ai-chatbot-template slack samples/bolt python.ai chatbot and hit enter. This command creates a new project named AI Chatbot based on the Python template. It may take a moment to set everything up, but once it's finished, you'll have a folder filled with all the necessary files to get started on your bot. All right, we're almost ready to roll with our bot. What you'll want to do next is navigate into the new project directory by running cd ai-chatbot, and there you'll find a variety of files and folders. Inside this directory, you'll locate a file called app.py. This is where the main logic of your bot lives. You can open it in your preferred code editor and start customizing your bot's functionalities. Think about what you want your bot to do. For example, maybe you want your bot to answer FAQs or provide real-time updates about a project. Start editing the code, adding commands and responses as necessary. Don't forget to save your changes as you go along. Once you've finished drafting your bot's capabilities, you'll need to test it. You can do this locally first. The Slack CLI offers a development server that you can run in your terminal. Just type slack run, and your bot will be live in the Slack workspace you connected to. Go back to Slack and try interacting with your bot. It's exciting to see it in action. And there you have it. You've just created and installed a custom AI Slack bot. If you have any questions as you go through the process, feel free to drop a comment below. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and remember to subscribe for more.